Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable necklace mode while running on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, what you guys can do is get the XIAOMI band. Now here we need to go over to settings. So let's scroll down, it's almost at the bottom. Go to running mode and now select necklace mode. As you guys can see, this screen will basically stay on but won't respond to any of our touches. So now let's click turn on. And as you guys can see, now we're in the necklace mode. And it doesn't respond to anything other than to basically leave the necklace mode. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.